Good morning everyone. In this lecture we will discuss one of the example to convert infix to postfix expression. So this is infix to postfix. This is one of the applications of stack. So I have already told these are the steps you must follow while converting infix to postfix. You must write this down and you must follow these steps while converting. We'll take one example. Suppose the example is the expression is a minus b into c minus d division e. So this is infix expression. We'll convert it into postfix expression. So first we'll take one stack and one postfix expression. So I am writing it down. I will take three columns. One is for characters, or you can also say this is the symbols. Then next is the stack representation, and third column is about the postfix expression. Okay, so we'll scan the characters one by one from left side. So the first character is A. So first character is A. A is one operand. So we'll go through the steps. If the character is operand, I've already told, add to the postfix expression. So there will be no value in the stack. Stack will be empty and that will be added to the postfix expression. Now the postfix expression is A. The next character is minus. Okay, so the character is minus. Now we'll do the stack representation. Suppose this is the stack, and we'll check the condition. If the character is operator, third step, if the character is operator, check whether the stack is empty. If the stack is empty, push the operator into stack. Now the stack is empty, this operator will be pushed into the stack and the expression will be same, that is A. The next character is left bracket or left parenthesis. You can see here, if the character is left parenthesis, push to the stack. Now the character is left parenthesis. Now the stack representation will be, there will be minus, and if the character is left parenthesis, first step, push to the stack. Now the stack contains minus and left parenthesis, and the postfix expression will be same as A. Now the next character is, check here, B. Character is B. Okay, if the character is B, that means character is operand, add to the postfix expression. Now the stack will be same, that is minus and bracket left parenthesis, and B will be added to the postfix expression, that will be A B. Okay, now see here, the next is star. After B, the next character is star. Now the character is star. If the character is operator, if the character is operator, we have already checked if the character is operator, this character is operator. Now we'll check which condition, B. If the condition 3.b, if the stack is not empty, now the stack contains minus and bracket left parenthesis. If the stack is not empty, then check the priority of the operator. Now you must check if the new character or new symbol is any operator. If there is one left parenthesis, then you must add these operator to the stack. That means star will be pushed into the stack. Now the postfix expression will be a, b, same. So when the new operator is star and the previous or the top of the stack operator or top of the stack character is left parenthesis, you must push this operator into the stack. This is a condition. You must push this operator to the stack. Now next character is C. The character is C. Now see here, if the character is operand, add to the postfix expression. Now the stack will be same, that is minus left parenthesis and star, and this C, this is the operand that will be added to the postfix expression. Now the expression will be A, B and C. Now next one is minus. Next character is minus. Okay. Now check the condition. If the character is operand, if the character is operator, if the character is operator, if the stack is not empty, now stack is not empty because that contains minus left parenthesis and star, then you must check the priority of the operator, whether that should be greater than the operator present at the top of the stack or that is less than the operator present at the top of the stack. The new operator is, or new character is minus. Now this contains minus left parenthesis. Now this minus having the priority that is less than equal to the operator present at the top of the stack. So minus having the less priority than star. In that case, what will be the state? In that case, operator, then pop operator from the stack, add to the postfix expression. That means this star should be popped out and that should be added to the postfix expression. Now this contains minus and left parenthesis. Again this condition should be checked. Now the next operator is, top of the stack operator is left parenthesis and the our operator is, or the character is minus, so this should be appended or this should be pushed down. Now the next one is D. Next character is D. Now if the character is any operand, now the stack representation will be like this. This will be minus. If the character is operand, then add to the postfix expression. That means the postfix expression will be C star D. Okay. Then after D, the next character is right parenthesis. Okay, our condition is, if, see here, if the character is right parenthesis, if the character is right parenthesis, then pop all the operators from the stack until it reaches the left parenthesis and add to the postfix expression. If the character is right parenthesis, our character is right parenthesis, then pop all the operators. Now pop all the operators, that means B, C star, this is the postfix expression until now. Now pop all the operators from the stack until it reaches the left parenthesis. Now the operator is minus, that should be popped out, that will be added to the postfix expression. Now there will be no left parenthesis here. Only this symbol, minus symbol, will be popped out, that will be added to the postfix expression. Okay, the next one is, next character is division. Next character is division. Now the stack representation will be minus, and if the character is operator, again we will check the condition. If the character is operator and the stack is not empty, then we have to check the priority of the operator, whether that is greater than the operator present at the top of the stack, or whether that is less than equal to operator present at the top of the stack. Now this is the new operator division, which having the priority greater than the operator present at the top of the stack. So this should be pushed into the stack. Now division symbol will be pushed into the stack, and the expression will be A, B, C star, D minus. Okay, the next one is last character, that is E. If the character is operand, then add to the postfix expression. Now our stack representation will be minus and division, and postfix expression will be A, B, C star, D minus, and this is the character that is operand, that will be added to the postfix expression. Okay, now the character, we have already completed scanning all the characters. Now we'll follow the last step here. After reading all the characters, if the stack is not empty, now the stack is not empty because the stack contains minus and division symbol. In that case, pop and add to the postfix expression. Pop and add to the postfix expression. Now these operators will be popped out, and that should be added to the postfix expression one by one. Now the expression will be A, B, C star, D minus E. One by one, that will be popped out. So first the top of the stack operator is division, then the next operator is minus, then the minus. So it will be popped out from the top of the stack one by one. Now this is the postfix expression. We have converted the infix expression to the postfix expression using the stack. You can go through the other examples. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the questions. Thank you.